Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can enable and disable your activity on Discord. So go to user settings here, and you are going to scroll down until you find activity privacy, which is under activity settings. And then here I have this enabled, so whenever I'm online and I'm playing a game, for instance Valorant, Phasmophobia, Disney Dreamlight, etc., those games, I will just, like, if you want to turn it off and you don't want people to see you playing the game, I guess, you're just going to turn this off. But usually a lot of people have this enabled to show people what they're doing. But sometimes people just play games and they just go here and go offline. So they just go to the invisible mode and people won't see what game you're playing. But if you're still on Do Not Disturb or in idle mode, people will still see what games you're playing on here. And yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!